For 17 years, a white Arabian mare named Jenny took a solo walk across the small German town of Fessenheim every morning. Locals were used to seeing cats and dogs roam free, but a horse calmly strolling down the street on her own? That was something only Fessenheim could claim. Jenny belonged to a kind man named Vera and his wife Anna, who had cared for her for more than 25 years. In her younger days, Jenny was part of a little caravan with another horse named Charlie and a white shepherd dog named Avita. They often walked the neighborhood together, and Jenny loved the activity, the people, and the feeling of being part of the town's daily rhythm. But as Vera got older, he couldn't take her out for rides as often. Worried she'd become bored or lonely, he began letting her roam freely on his fenced land. One day, instead of returning to her stable, Jenny stood by the gate, looking at him with a clear request in her eyes. She wanted to walk through town again. Trusting her gentle nature, Vera opened the gate. Jenny trotted out happily and returned just before lunch, as if she had her own built-in schedule. From then on, the routine continued every morning. Over the years, Jenny became a beloved part of Fessenheim. She even wore a little sign that read, "My name is Jenny. I didn't run away. I'm just taking a walk. Thank you." Locals adored her. Drivers stopped so she could cross the street. Kids offered apples. The tram driver waved every morning. Even the police knew her route. If someone new called in to report a loose horse, officers simply phoned Vera, who always answered, Yes, she's out on her walk." For more than a decade, Jenny walked the same streets without causing a single problem, unless you count nibbling on a rosebush or two. But one day, something unexpected happened. Jenny wandered onto a slightly different route and spotted a man pushing a stroller while walking two dogs. He was new in town and had no idea a horse might stroll up to him. His baby daughter was crying non-stop, and nothing he tried seemed to calm her. Then Jenny approached, lowered her head, and gently peeked into the stroller. The father tensed. This was a huge animal near his baby, but Jenny slowly nudged the baby's tiny hand with her soft nose. Instantly, the crying stopped. The baby smiled, then giggled. The father was stunned. It felt like something out of a movie. Jenny simply walked off afterward, stopping at a nearby rosebush for a snack. Word spread quickly, and before long, a journalist picked up the story. While many people online loved Jenny's gentle magic, others criticized the idea of a horse walking alone. But the people of Fessenheim defended her fiercely. They watched out for her, cleaned up after her, and made sure she was always safe. Regular vet checkups confirmed she was healthy, calm, and thriving, thanks in part to her daily walks. This year, Jenny passed away at 25 years old. Her absence left a quietness in Fessenheim that everyone felt. She wasn't just a horse. She was a neighbor, a friend, and a cherished piece of the town's soul. Wouldn't it be wonderful if every town had a Jenny,